A2Z Drone Delivery's new RDST delivers any box up to 22 pounds. Commercial drone delivery solutions developer A2Z Drone Delivery is launching its second-generation rapid delivery system, the RDST. This automated delivery winch does not require specialty cargo boxes and boasts the highest payload capacity on the market at 10 kg/22 pounds. The company is also launching the RDST, a new off-the-shelf integrated cargo drone delivery system for last-mile deliveries. These new products align with the company's goal of addressing consumer protection concerns with residential drone deliveries. In carrying out their deliveries from altitude, A2Z Drone Delivery solutions keep spinning UAV propellers far away from recipients and reduce the privacy and noise-related concerns that come with low-flying drones. Most drone delivery systems in deployment today require payloads to be packaged in special boxes, pouches, or onboard payload compartments. The RDST is designed to meet what every shipper wants, using what every shipper has, said A2Z Drone Delivery founder and CEO Aaron Zhang. The RDST can auto-release the shipper's own boxes, removing the need for a recipient on the ground to meet the drone and retrieve packages without landing. These capabilities, combined with the utmost payload flexibility and the heaviest payload capacity currently on the market, makes our RDST a strong investment for drone service providers looking to rapidly scale commercial delivery applications. In addition to residential drone delivery, the RDST and RDST are suitable for various logistics challenges, such as the delivery of medical supplies or life-saving equipment for search and rescue operations. Customers have also deployed the tethered rapid delivery system for intra-site transport of tools and samples in mining operations, shore-to-ship delivery of urgent supplies and port documents, as well as placement and retrieval of ground sensors for industrial inspections. The RDST and RDST have already undergone thorough beta testing through real-world applications. The RDST has completed over 2,000 test deliveries and is already deployed with 6 of our beta test partners which have tested the platform in a diverse array of applications, said A2Z Drone Delivery CTO Evan Hertefeld. Consistency and reliability are the name of the game, and this testing has reinforced the effectiveness of our hardware. Responding to partner feedback, we also sought to streamline maintenance with our new A2Z Assistant software and a longer-lasting tether to reduce downtime. The new RDST retains its predecessor's redundant safety mechanisms, such as its payload monitoring system, passive payload lock, manual or automatic tether controls, and tether abandonment. New features include a heavy-duty drive motor, functionality with any off-the-shelf boxes, a payload capacity of up to 5 kilograms complete with an auto-release mechanism, a compact and easily integrated chassis, an ultra-long-lasting tether, a general-purpose payload hook, and the A2Z Assistant desktop application. Subscribe to DroneLife for more commercial drone news.